Okay, math friends, here we go for one more lesson on lines of symmetry. This is guided practice for topic 16-5. So your problem for number 3 says, use the line of symmetry to draw a line symmetric figure. Now, all that means is you have to draw on this side the mirror image that's on the other side of the line of symmetry. So I am going to do my best to make this nice and neat. So before I start drawing, I'm going to look at the line of symmetry and I'm going to count to the left. It goes over 2 dots. So when I draw my part over here, I'm going to have to go 2 dots. Then I noticed from that point it goes down 2 dots. So I'm down 2 dots. Got a little crooked there. It goes in 1 dot. So I'm going to join up my dots there. It goes up 1 dot. I'm going to make that line. Over and connects it up. So it's not perfect, but you get the idea of what it's supposed to be like. And then we can try the other one down on the bottom, number 4. I see that it goes over 2 dots, it goes down 2 dots, it goes in 1, and then it's got a diagonal. So it may be easier, I don't know, if this diagonal. And I got to go over 1, then I've got to go up 2, but it's easier with this pull down. So I'm going to go up, I'm going to pull down and connect those, then I'm going to join up. There we go. So there are 2 figures where I have used the line of symmetry to create mirror images. Happy math, guys!